We'll guide you through how to make circle text in CapCut. Quick disclaimer: skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and type CapCut into the search box. Launch the CapCut application from the search results and wait for CapCut to load completely before continuing. Open an existing project or create a new one if you are starting from scratch. Import your video if it is not already included in the project, then drag the video onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Click the Text tab from the toolbar to access the available text tools. Select Add Text and type the text that you want to display in your project. Customize the font, size, and color of the text if needed so it matches the style of your video. Position the text in the preview window where you want it to appear before adding any effects. Next, click the Effects tab on the top toolbar to open the available video and text effects. Browse through the effect library or use the search feature to find the circle text effect, depending on the version of CapCut you are using. Once you locate the effect, drag it onto the text layer in the timeline or add it directly to the selected text layer if your version supports that method. Click the applied effect to open its settings in the Properties panel on the right side of the window. Adjust the available effect settings to customize the appearance of the circular text animation according to your preferences. Play the video from the beginning to preview the circular text animation and observe how it appears during playback. Fine-tune the text position or effect settings if necessary until you achieve the desired look without covering important parts of the video. Once you are satisfied with the final appearance, save your project to preserve the circular text effect.